Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. So I had some people say, hey, why don't you do a full-length video on the giveaway you've been talking about? Put up some video shorts about doing a giveaway for this brand new Stihl MS170. Now, I think I answered a lot of the questions in the shorts, but in case you missed those or you weren't sure, the plan is to give it away at the end of December if we hit 30,000 subscribers. So if you're watching this for the first time, you should probably jump over and hit subscribe. It does seem like a tall order, but really the channel's been growing in leaps and bounds lately, all because of you guys. I see videos being liked, a lot more comments, a lot more shares, and what that does is generate more subscribers for the channel. Now, I'm only able to give away a brand new saw because of you guys and the growth of the channel, and so I want to continue to, keep that rolling. Now, I realize I've been lacking in chainsaw carving videos, and sometimes I go through just bouts where that happens. I do apologize. I will be working on some new videos here really soon. I've actually been working on a bunch of furniture projects, and I've got a couple orders coming up that I do have to carve. So one of those carving orders that are coming up is I've got to do a raccoon for somebody. I haven't done a lot of those, so we might even end up with 2 raccoon videos. The first one, which will probably be trash, and hopefully the second one will be great for the customer. Another one is going to be a polar bear with a scarf, so that should be a fun one. I've also got a tall order for a bear. We've got to make a bear that kind of, well, resembles a carpenter with a tool belt and a hammer and a last name and all that. Great big piece. So that should be pretty fun. I say great big, be like 5.5 feet tall. Be a good carve though, full video. Now I know a lot of you want tutorials. Now I do have a lot of tutorial videos already on here. I can continue to make bear tutorial videos, like I'm okay with that. If that's what you guys really are looking for, by all means let me know. I like to think bears pay the bills, and bear videos get the most views, and they're the easiest thing for me to give a tutorial on because I make so many of them. Now, a lot of other animals can be done, but I don't know if I could give you guys a full tutorial on some of them. Maybe, I don't know. Leave me your comments. Let me know. Write a comment below. Should we continue to make beginner bear carving videos, or what are you guys looking for? We've been doing videos for a while here, been trying to help you guys out and grow. And what do you guys need? What are you guys looking for? What sort of video can help you grow your art, grow your skill, encourage you to, make those first cuts and start gripping and ripping and, try it out or continue on. I know for me, as we get into the fall season, sometimes sales start slowing down this time of year. And then as winter hits, it's just the way it is, so getting a lot of carving done. Sometimes I go on the slow side of things, but this year I'm going to try to push through and do a lot of carving through the winter, so when spring hits I don't have to play catch up with all the stores. Now I see a lot of people been sharing a lot of awesome pieces on the YouTube page, KyleHallWoodworker New Carvers. You guys are awesome. If you guys are on that page and you're watching this video, I really do appreciate it. I know I am absent from that channel a lot. A lot. I got a lot of things going on. I'm trying to juggle a lot of different stuff, but I do try to get on there and leave a comment or a like and encourage you guys best that I can. If you haven't joined that page yet, you can find it on Facebook, KyleHallWoodworker New Carvers, but you have to answer all the questions on the page or I can't let you in. Just trying to keep it, keep all the bots out and all the nonsense out. So that's the only way that makes it easy to do that, right? Answer all these questions and we get rid of the bots. So let's see, what else? Got a new channel. If you guys haven't checked it out yet, it is called Chainsaw Rescue. We are working on chainsaws, stuff that won't start, will start, cold starting chainsaws. I'm going through my vintage chainsaws. We're going to be cleaning them up and getting them running, as well as newer saws as well. I know right now I just pulled out today an old Echo 305 or 304. I don't remember. It's off to the side over there. Just did a cold start with that thing, and we're gonna probably just clean it up, get it running nice to put it back on a shelf. It's a cool little saw. It sounds awesome. That's probably gonna be the next video on that channel. And then after that, we've got a Husqvarna to work on for somebody. So Plus, you know, we'll do some other small engine stuff in the future on that channel as well, between leaf blowers and trimmers and things like that. So if you're looking for help with any of that, you know, jump on over to Chainsaw Rescue and help me grow that channel as well. It's been up and running for a little over a month, and we're just over 200 subscribers already, which is awesome. Now, don't get me wrong, guys. I'm not getting rid of KyleHallWoodworker. We're not going to stop chainsaw carving for that channel. It's just something else I'm adding on, you know? I mentioned it briefly in some live feeds, but I don't think I've mentioned it directly to everyone. I have started some training through Stihl. I have started their Stihl service tech training. So I've gone through and finished their bronze courses. I have finished their computer courses for their silver class, and I have to go in a couple weeks and do some hands-on training for a couple days to get silver qualified or certified. And then after that, we'll be working toward gold, which is their top training class for servicing units. This by no means does not mean I know it all as far as any of that stuff goes, but I enjoy working on this stuff, and the opportunity a local business has given me to do this for them. So, you know, I'm really thankful for that, because that's going to help, one, grow the things that I do here on the channel for you guys, plus that new channel, Chainsaw Rescue. And, you know, I always love the idea, guys, of just having an open mind as far as learning goes. The minute you stop trying to learn new things, new techniques, new stuff that you can put in the old brain safe, you know, life just gets boring. So always try to keep learning, keep your mind open. There's always somebody out there that can do it better than you, knows more than you. That's just the way it is. Yeah, hope you guys are doing good though. Hope you guys are carving some cool stuff, staying safe out there. Again, the Stihl MS170, brand spanking new, just sitting here waiting to go to one lucky winner. We wanted to discuss how to enter and how to win. We're 7 minutes in, probably a lot of people dropped off before they even got to this point. I'm not sure how we're going to do that. It's going to be, the way you're going to have to enter for this is going to be easy enough that if you're not a carver, you could still enter. You could just be a homeowner looking for a new saw. It doesn't really matter. So it's probably going to be a video that I will upload after December saying, hey, we hit the 30,000 subscriber mark. All you got to do is comment on whatever that video is, maybe a certain word, and then you'll be entered. And I'm going to keep it that simple to enter to win the Stihl MS170 once we hit the 30,000 subscriber mark. So how can you guys help the channel grow? Like this video, leave me a comment, make sure you hit subscribe, you hit that bell, hit all, make sure YouTube notifications are on. All those things tell the YouTube algorithm that people watch this channel, enjoy this channel, and are engaging in this channel. If people are not engaging in the channel, the algorithm takes that video and dumps it down at the bottom of the pile. The other thing you can do too is, you know, you guys got a favorite carving video, maybe a favorite project or time lapse or something that I've done, share it with your friends. You know, copy the link, send it to people, encourage people you know to hit subscribe and help me grow, because they can also enter to win the Stihl MS170. So that's how you can help as well. Yeah, I don't know. I think that's about it. Life's crazy. It's busy, you know. Right now we are sitting outside the carving tent. That Echo I fired up, she's a smoker, so it's smoky in there because I did it in the tent. The shop is currently full of tables. You guys want to see the tables? I got a bunch of tables in the shop right now. Let's take a walk. So in the shop, I have had a customer bring me some, what brand are they? Haywood Wakefield tables. He brought some tables. He's looking to get some finish work on them, redone, and have me kind of get them all similar in color. We're going to try to match this color, which is not an original Haywood Wakefield color. Haywood or Hayward? I might be saying it wrong, but if you look it up, you guys will know. If you know, you know. But we're going to try to match this color. As you can see, we got more of a yellow orangey color. That one in the back, the surfboard tables, same color. This closely matches this. So we've got a little refinishing work to do, but this is like the big thing I'm working on right now. On top of that, I have a large, it doesn't look like much, but this is a large maple valance for the same customer. We got to get some stain on and get that wrapped up. Now, I haven't done a lot of videos these days. Haven't done a lot of videos these days on woodworking and all that kind of stuff, because honestly, when I've posted them in the past, I don't get a ton of views. So, you know, is what it is. I figure I'd just do an update video on what I'm working on at least. Besides these 4 tables that I'll be working on, I just completed this cool little table. I'm actually putting this guy up for sale. Hopefully this guy will find a home here pretty soon. But it's just a piece of poplar. Did a little bit of stain on top. Took this neat root-based system here, stuck it on top there. I'm working on getting rid of a lot of the sticks, root bases, and twig stuff that I do. I'm actually going to start changing the style of furniture I make a little bit. Still going to keep it rustic. If you guys have been following me, you know the furniture I make, or maybe you don't, but I do have a furniture playlist that you guys can, you know, check out and see what that's all about. If you guys have been seeing the shop for years, you know, I mean, like right there's antlers, live edge, sticks up there, sticks. I mean, we got a lot of stuff. I'll still do some stuff with twigs and sticks, but kind of want to move into a little bit more of a specific design that feel I've kind of worked myself into and have sort of come up with. But yeah, that's the plan. Hope you guys are having a great week though, and stay safe, keep gripping and ripping, and I really appreciate you guys watching. Thanks.